At Premier Truck Sales and Rental, we believe that progress is built right here at home, in Ohio, where American craftsmanship still means something. Inside our new 28,000 square foot mounting and fabrication facility, every truck is fabricated with pride, precision, and purpose. Our team customizes and assembles refuse trucks and hoists that keep communities clean from coast to coast. From heavy-duty hoist installations to custom configurations, our work doesn't just meet the standard. It defines it. Assembled in Ohio, built to serve America. Every weld, every bolt, every truck, a reflection of our commitment to the people that keep this country moving. From assembly to delivery, we're here for every step and every option. Buy, rent, or rent to own. The choice is yours. At Premier, we're more than a business. We're your partner in progress because keeping refuse in America moving takes more than trucks. It takes teamwork, trust, and pride in what we build together. Premier Truck Sales and Rental, keeping American refuse strong and moving forward.